this video, we're going to show you how to control Temi remotely on Temi Center. To control your Temi through Temi Center, click All Temis on the side menu, and then under the desired Temi, click the Control button. The most up-to-date map of that Temi will appear on your screen, as well as the status of your robot on the left. If you'd like to send Temi to an existing location, simply tap the location on your map and Temi will go there. The Temi icon will move on the map to indicate the robot's movement as it makes its way to the location. In addition, you can also tap anywhere else on your map and Temi will go there too. To start a video telepresence call, click Video Call. Temi's camera will open up in a minimized view, so you can view both the map and Temi's video combined. If you'd like to view the video call in full screen, simply click the Expand icon. In full screen mode, you can also control Temi's volume and send Temi to locations by clicking the Locations button to show you all your locations. At any point, you can also roam around with Temi using the joystick arrows, or click with your cursor on any point of interest on your screen, and Temi will turn towards that direction. At the top, you'll find the Settings icon, where you can change the setting of your microphone and your webcam. You can also call your Temi using the Call button on the side menu. Simply select the Temi you'd like to call and click New Call. For any questions on Temi Center, be sure to reach out to our support team on the Temi app or on robottemi.com/support.